Ice dams on your metal roof edges can seriously mess up your winter vibes, but you can totally fix it with a few smart moves. So, first off, you want to make sure your attic insulation is on point because heat escaping from your house is what melts the snow on your roof and causes that nasty ice to form at the edges. Think of insulation like a cozy blanket, keeping warm air inside. Next, consider installing heated cables along your roof edges. These cables gently melt the ice and keep water flowing off your roof instead of backing up. Also, don't forget to clear any snow buildup regularly. Using a roof rake with a long handle can save you from climbing up there and risking a fall. If you keep the gutters clean and free of debris, water can drain properly and won't freeze into those ice dams. Ventilation in your attic matters too, because it helps keep the roof temperature consistent, reducing ice formation. You might also want to check for air leaks around light fixtures or chimneys in the attic. Sealing those up keeps warm air where it belongs. Lastly, if you're ever unsure, calling in a pro to inspect your roof and attic can save you tons of hassle down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ice dams on metal roofs is ignoring attic insulation. Without good insulation, you're basically inviting ice to form. Another common issue is skipping heated cables. Some folks think they are just extra cost, but they actually help prevent damage and save money in repairs. Last but not least, not clearing snow buildup regularly leads to massive ice dams and water leaks inside your home. The fix? Insulate well, get those cables installed if needed, and keep the roof clear of snow as much as possible. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about metal roofs and ice dam solutions. It's also a solid spot for contractors looking to connect with clients who need reliable roof work done right.